In this video, we are going to show you an overview of a Humane one-way door raccoon exclusion service that we offer. We do this service when raccoons gain entry into somebody's attic. Raccoons like to nest in the attic because it provides them shelter, warmth, and they use the insulation as nesting material. You can see the raccoon has pulled the vent off to gain access inside. The Pest Protection Plus technician installs a one-way door exclusion device over the entry point. This allows multiple raccoons to vacate, the door opens up, and then closes behind them so that they can't get back in. Raccoons generally will leave every 24 to 48 hours to get food and water, and the longest that raccoons will stay inside is generally 7 days. We leave this door installed for between 7 to 14 days, and we come back for a follow-up service. When we come back, we remove the one-way door device. We put the vent back on, and we install one of our wildlife-proof vent covers over the top. That way no animals such as raccoon, squirrels, or birds will be able to get into the attic. All services provided by Pest Protection Plus are guaranteed. It is important for the homeowner to eliminate any sort of access points to the roof, such as trees touching the eaves trough, as you can see on the back side, and eliminating any food sources that may draw wildlife in. Please feel free to call or reach out to us if you have any questions about any wildlife or pest control needs.